Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to add your vehicle in the Uber Driver app. First, log into your driver account. Once you are logged in, look for the menu icon. This is usually 3 lines or a small profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Tap the menu to open more options. In the menu, find and tap on Account. After that, scroll down and find Vehicles. Tap on Vehicles. This section shows any vehicle you have already added. If you have never added a vehicle before, this list may be empty. Here you will see a button that says Add a Vehicles. Tap on this button to start the process. Now you will see a screen asking for your vehicle information. You need to enter the make of your car. This means the brand, like Toyota or Honda. Then enter the model, the year, and the license plate number exactly as it appears on your vehicle. After you fill in the vehicle details, you will need to upload your vehicle documents. These can include your vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and any inspection documents required in your region. The documents must be clear and legible so Uber can review them. When all required information and documents are added, review everything carefully. If it looks correct, tap the button to submit your vehicle. Uber will now review your vehicle and your documents. You should receive a notification in the app once your vehicle has been approved and is active. Thanks for watching.